Hi guys, welcome to Lazy Lifehack. Today we're going to create a storyboard. Usually storyboards are done by creative team, but nowadays anyone can do it thanks to, you guessed it, AI. It's also very fast and save tons of working hours. A storyboard contains of a script and black and white sketches drawing. So we will be doing both using Microsoft Bing. I'm using Google Chrome browser here. As search, type Microsoft Copilot. Click the first link. You'll need to log in. You can do it at top right here. If you don't have an account at Microsoft, please do one as we will be needing it. It's fairly easy. So let's get started with the script first. So when we write script, we need a scenario. Is it a music video? Is it a commercial, educational, short romance film, etc.? If you already have your own script, you can skip this step. If you scroll down a little bit, here you can choose what kind of styles you want. For me, I'll keep it in creative. So let's do a TV commercial script for an instant noodle. So we type TV commercial script for an instant noodles. So now we got our script. So we're going to create sketches. So we get a new tab here and then as search type Bing image creator. Click the first thing again. Click try and create. Sign in with personal account. If you have logged in Copilot, it should automatically log in also here. We go back to Copilot. We copy the first scene. So now please pay attention carefully. This is where the magic happens. At the text box at top, we type black and white sketch off and then we paste the text. So here before we hit create, we need to check if the text contains specific name of a person. So instead of the name Sam, we replace like this. So we remove Sam and put man here. And we're also removing the camera zoom in. So the text will be look like this. Black and white sketch of a young professional man looking tired and hungry at his desk. So let's hit create and see. So Bing Image Creator will give you 4 choices to choose from. For me, I think the third one looks pretty nice. We click this and then at the right side, you will see the download button. Just click it to download to your computer. So that's it. It is as simple as that. Click the crossback. If you still don't like these 4, just click create again and it will give you another 4 choices. If the image is not turning on how you want, just tell the AI more straight to the point on how you actually want it to look like. You can actually customize this whole text. You don't have to follow the script all the time. You can rewrite so it gives you the best fit. Please take note that every image you create consumes 1 energy. You get 50 energy per day per account and it is refreshed back to 15 every day. If you run out of energy, just sign up for another account. So let's go back to Copilot. Copy second scene. Go back to image creator. We paste it here. So again, we're going to remove the name. So we don't need this Sam colleague. We don't need Lisa also. A lady enter. So instead of Lisa, we will replace with the word lady. So text is going to be like a black and white sketch of a lady enter with a bright package of instant noodle. And let's hit create. So you can see that the image is a little bit off. So a lady entered to the office. Instead of bright package, we'll just write with a pack of instant noodle. Let's hit create and see. Actually, this one is pretty close to what we want. It's just that the instant noodle is very big. So just like what I mentioned, original script and the text here looks different. It's because you have to rewrite it according to what you really want to show at the visual. So you get the point. Keep copying the text, put it here and create. If the image is not how you want it, rewrite the text. Just make sure the text black and white sketch off is at the very front. So for the presentation, get a landscape Google slide, put them all together and place the text. Now you just got yourself a storyboard ready to present. I hope this video helped you on how to create a storyboard. It's quite easy and anyone can do it. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Also, please check out my previous videos. Thank you all.